Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize watch faces on your AMAZFIT Balance 2XT. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the Zepp app on your phone. So, this is the first thing we want to do. Now here in the app, we want to go over to Device and then Watch Faces. Here, if you guys want to choose something, you guys can see it in free releases. Also, some of them are paid, so if you're willing to pay, let's say €2 for that, then you can. There's no one stopping you. Here, if you want to customize them, so you want to add portraits, complications, then you need to scroll down to Customizable here. And you guys can choose every single face that is customizable. You can make it up to you. You can change everything, and I already got one. It's the red mecha. It looks like this. I think it looks amazing. But if you guys want to change the watch faces here, then hold on the watch and swipe left or right depending on where you got the face. So here, as you guys can see, we can go over and we can use this one for an example. But you guys can see this one is just not customizable. If you guys want to choose something that you can change, then you will see this pen at the bottom. And if you click this pen, that you will be able to change the heart rate to, let's say, weather. And here, battery to something else, like, let's say, readiness. And now it's all saved up. You guys can leave. And yeah, we got the temperature, we got everything. So this is how you guys can easily add and customize your watch faces. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.